Hello, today we're going to take a look at an air raid shelter located in Oxleas Woods, Shooters Hill. From my research, I believe this shelter would have belonged to and served the famous Bagnold family. There was also a heavy anti-aircraft battery located nearby, which gives us evidence that this could have indeed been used for protection against shrapnel. So taking a look from the outside, we can see that it was an L-shaped shelter with some sort of glass wall here at the entrance. So this is the view from the other side. I'm not sure if it would have been another entrance point or an exit. You can see there's some sort of wall here as well. So I'll show you the inside now. So from an inside inspection, you can see how small the shelter is. It would have served its purpose for a small family. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned for the next one.